In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Facebook messages in Pipedrive CRM. Thanks to the advancements in CRM technology, integrating different communication channels is now a breeze. And today, we're going to dive into bringing Facebook messages right into your Pipedrive system. So, let's get started and streamline your communication process. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Pipedrive website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL. You're going to be greeted by a dynamic platform specifically designed to meet the needs of sales teams everywhere. Once you're there, the next step is to log into your account. You'll find the Login button prominently displayed on the homepage. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already logged in, this will take you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as you'll need them to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Pipedrive homepage. This is your central hub for managing your sales pipeline, and it's designed to give you a comprehensive overview of all your activities. From here, you will want to navigate to the Leads section. Look for the Leads option on your dashboard, and with a simple click, it will take you to your Leads inbox. Here, you have access to all your potential opportunities and the interactions associated with them. Next, it's time to incorporate the essential integrations. Integrations are a powerful feature of Pipedrive, allowing you to connect various external tools directly to your CRM. Click on the Integrations tab, which is typically located within your Leads inbox. This area provides a wealth of options that let you customize your Pipedrive experience to better fit your specific business needs. Once you are in the Integrations section, you're going to focus on messaging integrations. Click on the Messaging option, which is usually categorized under the Integrations tab. This is where the magic happens. By accessing the messaging options, you can ensure that different communication channels, like Facebook messages, are directly linked to your CRM. This integration streamlines your communication by centralizing all interactions, making it easier to track conversations with your leads and respond promptly. And there you have it. With these steps, your Facebook messages are now linked to Pipedrive CRM, and you're well on your way to enhancing your workflow efficiency. Integrating Facebook with Pipedrive not only helps keep all your communication organized in one place, but also ensures that no message slips through the cracks. This setup allows you to maintain seamless contact with your leads, boosting your productivity and ensuring your sales efforts are more cohesive. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.